Hey, this is Brian, physical therapist, and now I'm going to demonstrate how to get into the passenger side. And again, it's my left hip that I had the replacement on, so obviously I'm going to get onto the left side. So again, I've got my handy leg lifter, and I'm going to hook the leg lifter on my left foot or my surgical side, and I have my cane with me. So now getting in the vehicle, you want to do is you want to get back in your seat, and it really helps too to slide the seat back as far as it can go so you don't have any issue bumping your leg getting in the vehicle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cane, I'm going to pull my leg up with my leg lifter, slide it over, and then I'm going to take my good leg and just scooch over, and then here I am in the vehicle. Now to get out of the vehicle, it's basically the opposite. I got my cane here, I'm going to bring my good leg out, I'm going to take the leg lifter, bend my knee, and I'm going to help lift it and help bring it out of the vehicle. And then I'll get rid of my leg lifter, put that safely in the vehicle. I'm going to stand up with my cane, and I'm good to go. So again, that's how you safely can get in and out of the vehicle from the passenger side with a left hip replacement like I had.